Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your fitness journey with MyFitnessPal easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the MyFitnessPal app from your app store. Open the app and create a new account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, the app will prompt you to set your fitness goals. Select your goal based on whether you want to lose weight, maintain weight, or gain weight. Input your current weight, height, and age for personalized recommendations. Next, you will choose your activity level. The options range from sedentary to very active. After entering your information, the app will calculate your daily calorie and nutrient goals. Now, let's navigate to the home page where you can log your meals. Tap the food icon at the bottom of the screen. To add a meal, tap on the Add Food button. You can search for food items by name or scan barcodes for quick entry. Once you find your food, select the serving size. Tap Add to log the food to your daily intake. You can repeat this process for different meals throughout the day. To track your exercise, tap the exercise icon. Choose from predefined exercises or add your own. Input the duration and intensity to get an accurate calorie burn. After logging exercises, revisit your home page to see your daily summary. This summary shows your remaining calories for the day. How about connecting with friends for added motivation? Tap on the friends icon to find and invite friends to join your journey. You can also join community forums for support and tips. Save your favorite recipes for easy access later. Finally, set reminders to log your meals and workouts daily. This keeps you accountable and on track with your fitness goals. With these steps, you're well on your way to upgrading your fitness journey with MyFitnessPal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.